Hi, I'm Bob Haley. I'm one of the pastors from Christ United Methodist Church here in Venice. It was about 5 years ago that I was asked to be president of the South County Food Pantry. South County Food Pantry literally began as a pantry. In Emmanuel Lutheran Church, they had a closet that would have some canned food that would be given out to those that were hungry. Well, that has expanded over these years to become a facility that handed out in 2018 over 100,000 items of food. We have 1,000 people being fed through this organization each and every month. We had no idea that we would be moving when we were striking our 2019 budget. And yet, our landlord at the time told us that he was going to non-renew our lease. So that put us in a position where we needed to find a new location in a hurry. No one likes to move, but we found this new location. And while it's great and meets all of our needs, it costs money to pick up an operation and move it. But it's also a good time to actually make improvements to the facility so that we can better serve the folks. So by the time our office manager put together an estimate of what it would cost to actually occupy this, it was nearly $20,000. And obviously we didn't know we would be moving. We didn't budget for any type of a move. And here we are.
Hi, I'm Diana Wheeler. I'm the branch manager for the Venice location of Stearns Bank NA. In Venice, the pantry is incredibly vital. There is 12.8% of Sarasota County's population that is below poverty level. And the sad part is 1 in 5 of those is kids. So there's a huge need for what they do. And pantry meets that need for those people. We are incredibly fortunate at Stearns Bank to work for an employer and his family that invest as much as they do. And if there is a need, Norm Skalicki is willing to fill it.
Norm Skalicki Foundation first began participating with the South County Food Pantry by being a sponsor of a golf tournament a couple of years ago. And we just chalked it up to charitable giving. But then, the following year, another donation came. And we were just surprised because you can't count on grants each year when you're working your budget, because it's not always available. But they came through. Now, when we were faced with the expense of this move, we had not considered that for a third year, they would give yet again. And so when that check arrived, we were just ecstatic. Just the fact that it was a $20,000 estimate for the budget to make this move a reality, and then to have a check come from the Norm Skalicki Foundation that is $20,000, I mean, that's got to be divine intervention as far as I'm concerned.
I thought it was such incredibly perfect timing for that money to come in like it did. And I'm so proud that Stearns Bank was able to help them make this change to the new location and serve more people.
Thanks to the Norm Skalicki Foundation, we were able to occupy a facility that's about 50% larger than our original facility. We also purchased additional refrigeration, so we're able to offer healthier options for our clients. The wonderful thing about the Norm Skalicki Foundation is the fact that while they're based up north, their local branches here have input on how to affect local charities and the people in their own community. What a joy it is to partner with those that we can go and bank with on a daily basis.
It's important to Stearns Bank to show that we care. We're not just here to make a profit, we're here to also give back to the communities that we serve in. It's awesome to be a part of this, it really is.
On behalf of everyone here at South County Food Pantry, all of our volunteers and staff, we just want to say thank you. Thank you to the Norm Skalicki Foundation for their wonderful grant, and for Stearns Bank for recognizing the need here in their own community and partnering with us so that we can feed the hungry in our area.